Hey, it's Jimmy here with True Homes, and we've been in this house already. This home is under construction right now. It's a Shaw. It's a 3-bed, 2 full bath home, ranch style home with a huge front porch that we're building at our Crest community. True Homes builds this in communities all across the Charlotte area and the Carolinas. I want to go inside and show you some of the progress that's being made. Hey, it's Jimmy G of the Carolinas here. If you like what you're watching, be sure to subscribe. Okay, when we first came in this home, the framing had started and the roof was not even on. Since then, we have come in with the framing completed, but now we've got electrical work has been done, as well as plumbing and duct work. So as we come into the home, you see the electrical, this is electrical wiring right here, so it still needs to be cut and capped off. But a lot of the electrical work has already been done. That black stuff that you see up there, that is duct work. That connects to your vents, it'll connect to the HVAC unit and the furnace, and that's what's gonna blow hot air and cool air into your home to keep it temperature regulated. Plumbing as well. So this is the laundry room right here. You see the dryer is going to go right there. That's the dryer vent. And here's plumbing. So this is going to connect to the washing machine right here. And since there's no insulation or drywall yet, we can actually magically walk through these walls. And you can see a lot of the plumbing. So that's where the toilet will go. That's a water pipe there as well. So red means hot water. The white is cold water. So all this stuff goes in. So it's really cool to watch a house being built because the trades go in. Everything goes in a certain order. So, first we'll have the home, the foundation gets poured. Then after the foundation is poured, then the framing happens, which is all, all this stuff that you see right here. So all the framing goes in. That's the next step. Then after that, you get all this sheathing that goes. So this OSB board gets put up around the framing. Then after that, the windows and the doors go in. Then after that, the trades come in. So that's when you get the plumbing, the electrical, and the HVAC. So once the electrical is completed, once the trades are completed doing their thing in this home, the next step will be insulation that'll go in all the exterior walls here. So these walls need to be insulated. So insulation actually goes in here between the framing and this exterior wall, which will eventually, doesn't have siding right now, it's just wrapped, but it'll be wrapped, it's wrapped now and it'll get siding on it. But on the inside, you'll get insulation right here, and then drywall will go in next. So next step on the inside of this home, after these trades are completed, is gonna be insulation, then the drywall is gonna go in. Then you get to a lot of the fun stuff, like the flooring starts coming in, you get the cabinets that come in, the countertops, the sinks, the appliances, all that stuff. So it's really cool. As someone in new construction home sales, and I've been in real estate for over a decade now, it's really cool to be able to watch these homes get built and to see the coordination that goes into it and the quality that goes into it as well. So if you want to learn more about new construction, you can keep checking back on this channel. I'll have more videos coming soon. But you can also contact me directly, 704-313-8514, or you can comment, in here if you want to learn more about new construction, learn more about True Homes. If you're interested in building a home, or even if you're a realtor and you're interested in selling more new construction homes, I'd love to chat. Thanks. We'll see you next time on the next video. At True Homes, it's all about you. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe.